Hi there, my dear beautiful Leo friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. And I am here to do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Leo. And just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. If you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's start. Hi, my spirit guides. What are your messages for our dear beautiful Leo for the month of December? Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear beautiful Leo for the month of December? Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear beautiful Leo for the month of December? My dear Leo friends, what's happening? I can feel it in here strongly that for some of you, you are you are in front of many people. There is, let's say, you're becoming famous to, to the people around you. Fortune is here, right? But I can see, yeah, because I'm a telepath, I can see it inside of you. Yes, you are glowing up. Let's outside of you. You are smiling because Leo people are beautiful and attractive, charismatic, right? But because me, I can see the, the inside feeling of yours. There is sadness and loneliness. Yes, you are enjoying, or some of you, well, most of you, your material wealth because you are destined for that. But there is something lacking. There is something lacking that make you feel lonely, sadness. Your inner happiness is not yet been reached. Yeah, yes, you are enjoying being famous, but deep inside, a sadness. Yeah, and when you're on your own, you are tearful. I mean, yes, tears is coming from your eyes, and you don't know because everything is there. Everything is in front of you: material wealth, success, achievement, accomplishment. But it's like deep inside you knew that you're not happy 100%. Well, there's no perfect in this world, but you can see the loneliness, the heaviness in you, within you, right? Let's see. That's why now I know why most of the Leo are suffering from chest pain or back pain because of the inner feelings within you that you are trying to cover up to people. You don't want others to see you unhappy. But for those who can read mind like me, and then I can see the deep within you, yes, I knew. I It's really the inner happiness that is very important in our life. Yeah, because outer happiness is just only like, yes, you're smiling, but later on you were just being tearful. Behind the scene, you're unhappy. Whereas if you are happy deep inside and outside, you're still smiling even before you go to bed, even before you close your eyes. Yeah, that's the real happiness. Okay, okay, let's see. Right, the bottom of the deck is, oh yeah, in here for some of you, there, as I've said, I can see it in here, an intense feeling of, because for some of you, you are suffering from emotional conflict, emotional obsession. Like like for example, you are, or some of you who are not yet achieving your goals in life, you're still hard work, hard doing hard work, even if it's time for you to rest and be with your loved ones. But you still have to do it because you want to achieve your goals, your dreams in life, right? That's what's happening for some of you. There is an emotional obsession in here. Yeah, I can see it in here as well that I can, for some of you are suffering from depression despite of receiving those achievements, material weight, material wealth, fame and fortune. Yes. Yeah. Because you can feel as well that people around you don't love you genuinely. They're only after your wealth, your fame, and fortune. You know what I mean? You need someone who will love you genuinely, who will love you, the true love, you know, who will be with you throughout your life. Not only because of your being famous and your fortune, but that person loves you for who you are, the whole you. That's what you want in life. Yeah. For some of you, I can see it in here as well in the card that you lose. There is a big loss in here. A loss of a friend who is dear to you, a loss of pet. Yes, a dear dog and a cat, a fishes, aquarium. Yes, a bird. Yes, or your dear family, one of your family members who are really dear to you, but yes, you are trying to smile, in front of the people, but really deep inside you is really very, very lonely. Loneliness is within you, right? So, for some of you, for those who are still single, even in the middle of the age, and even when they reach more than 50 years old, I can see it in here. Four of Hearts. There is an expected meeting with someone who will make your heart again feeling happy. Yeah, there is a spark, let's say, but that person you are just wondering that person is opposite to the qualities that you are looking for a person, right? But that person is the one sent to you by the divine, by the universe, because the universe is seeing you, your loneliness deep within. Okay, yes. The third card is saying it in here that you are going to face a legal issue in here. It's a financial issues. You are involved in a financial matter that is wrongly done by someone you are dealing with. Yes, that person, in short, you are dealing with wrong people. Yes, yes, there is success financially in front of these people and in front of you, but they're doing something behind the scene that you don't know. And you will be involved in that battle, legal battle. My dear Leo friends, probably because you are only you are also a highly intuitive individual. Maybe that's why you can feel it already that one day you will be facing a legal battle issues. It's not only one. I'm not I'm not scaring you, but I am telling you what is in the card so that for those who are dealing with this, then at least you will be prepared. Yeah, that's why for some of you are suffering chest pain and back pain because maybe loss of sleep, anxiety, depression, fears that one day there will be a big issue that you are going to deal with. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Uh-huh. There is bad news in here. Oh, right. Oh, this card is always. I feel like every time I'll do the Leo reading, I mean, is third party is involved. It's maybe because of the qualities that you have. Yeah, you are very attractive, charismatic, friendly. That kind of person that really what is this eye catching? Let's see. Okay, let's see. In the past, you were in a relationship with someone who is younger than you. It's Jack of Diamonds. Yeah. Um, a younger person with an earth sign energy, which is Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Yeah. And you had relationship with this, but it ended up because you just found out that it was just only um, let's say a lust. It's not a love at all. And then this person were hurt, and then now spreading rumors about what you have done to this person. Okay? Anyway, leave the past behind. Okay? Consciously, you are worrying of something because, as I've said earlier on, you will receive a bad news about something that make you now feeling worried, having a sleepless nights. This sometimes make you feel restless and can't concentrate at all, right? Yes, you can still smile in front of the people, but you know deep inside and something is bothering you now. Okay, this is the present, this is the past, and this is the future. I mean, yes, the future, this one. Yes, at present there is a massive changes physically, materially, big, big, massive changes in here about money. You are receiving a material wealth. This is a beautiful card. Beautiful. Five of diamonds. Five is a big changes. Major changes. And money, money, money is diamond. Okay? But there's a problem in here that crossing about that changes. Yeah? For some of you who are working in a company, yes, you receive an achievements, recognitions, and rewards, but there is a an opposite sex that is not happy of your achievements and is trying to pin you down. So you have to be careful, my dear. Let your friends okay with this. Yes. Um, there is um, success, prosperity in here, abundance, rewards, promotion, but someone who is also powerful like you, right, is not happy and is thinking about pinning you down, putting you down. So be careful with that. Subconsciously, you are here. Business success, good luck with money, and you are going to travel to celebrate with people who are dear to you. Okay, um, there is unexpected big amount of money that you are going to receive in here, and for those who are single, when you travel you will meet someone, as I've said earlier on, who will make you feel special again. Yeah, this person is sent to you by someone, by the divine, by the universe, and to make you feel happy and to comfort you. Okay, because at the moment you are surrounded with people who are not real to you. Okay, but be careful if you are committed, happily married, or committed to a relationship. Please think it several times, because I can, as I've said, in here that you will be involved in the future, again, a third party relationship. Because, my dear Leo friends, yes, you are very charismatic, you are very good in dealing with businesses, but temptations, you are weak, because you are an individual who just want to enjoy life. Sometimes you don't think deeply that this enjoyment can put you into trouble. Yeah, you just feel um, that that moment that I am enjoying. This is this is my moment. But you never think what will happen tomorrow. You know, yes, dealing with business. Yes, you are thinking about tomorrow. But when you're dealing with someone, you just didn't care if I will enjoy now this time with this person. I don't care if I will hurt my dear, or that person's dearest. You know what I mean? Yeah. Now, if that thing will happen, you will now be facing a scandal, a dispute, a romantic fight. You know, avoid, my dear Leo friends, if you want to live in a peaceful, calm um, living situation. Yes, because I feel like it's nice to have a quiet, peaceful life. Yeah, because that's what makes your inner self happy. Yeah, you are surrounded with people who loves you dearly. Yeah, because that people knew that you love them as well, genuinely. But if they knew that you are a player, then they will not love you from the bottom of their heart. They are just after your money, your fame and fortune. The saying, do not do unto others what you do not want others do unto you. That's it, my dear Leo friends. Okay. Um, in here, yes. This I think you will be dealing in the future is, I think, for some of you, deal with this woman, or at present you are dealing with this woman, but you are going to have a breakup. I think this is a romantic relationship that I can see it in here. This is a woman with an air sign energy: Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, Queen of Spade. Yes, and then this woman is really loves you, but once that breakup happens, you will this woman feel is going to feel that you left her in a cold and will do something bad against you. Yeah, I think this is the cause of you will be involved in a scandal in front of the people which you tried to raise, being you know being famous, but this one will ruin your good reputation. Okay. um, as I've said, third party relationship, this now. Okay, your your power in here is um third of spade, two spade is are reversed. So this is the what this woman will do to you. This woman will break into, because I think you will meet someone who is new after this woman, and then this woman is going to break that relationship you are having with someone new. Okay, yeah, in here you will travel a lot to unwind yourself because of the toxic situation that you are dealing with. Okay, for those who are having financial difficulties, I can see it in here. Four of diamonds, there is a financial upswing. Yeah, there is an older person who will give you an advice with full of wisdom. So listen to that person, because that will guide you to to your the right path. It will enlighten your mind, heart, and soul. Okay, that person is with with an earth sign energy. Um, what is this? Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo energy. Okay, there is an inheritance as well that you are going to receive in here, or for some of you, will win a big amount of money from the lottery. Okay, so for some of you, you are going to have a financial stability in here, and you will travel a lot. Your hopes and fears, there is a malicious gossips that is going around, and it will ruin your reputation. But be strong, my dear Leo. You know you're a lion. You are the big boss among the zodiac, right? But you are trying to be strong, to pretend that you're happy, but deep inside you are wounded. I can see it in here that your heart is bleeding. Yes, that's why earlier on I can feel sadness and loneliness and tears, tears coming from your eyes behind the scene. Yeah, despite of your success, achievements, accomplishments, material wealth, there is the love is not that 100%, but you can feel that you are surrounded by fake people, and it's because of your being famous. Yeah, this is obstacle to success, because you will be receiving, supposed to be, you are destined for greatness, my dear Leo friends. So there is, so if you will let yourself be uh, um, be affected with this life situation that you are facing or you will be facing, then there were a lot of obstacles that you are going to encounter with. Okay, there's opposition as well, disappointment as well, and the final outcome is there is a strong, confident woman with a fire sign energy, um, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius woman who will give you an advice, a great advice that will enlighten your mind, heart, and soul as well. Okay, if you are dealing with career issues, maybe this is your boss. She will instruct you what to do. Okay, if this is your mom, then listen to that. Okay, okay, let's see further clarification. Uh-oh. um Jealousy, as I've said, this is five of hearts. Jealousy, um you, as I've said, you are surrounded with ill will people, fake people around you, because they can see you that you are financially stable, and career stable. And stay grounded. Okay, stay grounded, my dear Leo friends. Stay humble. Do not be arrogant. Do not be conceited. Okay, because for those who can see you, the deep within you, we knew that you are not happy. Yeah, there is a relationship problem in here due to jealousy. As I've said, this is considered a warning card, my dear Leo friends. Okay, yes, good fortune is in the card, but relationship um sector, um yes, financially, I'm dealing with people, work colleagues, yes, it's good, but matters of the heart, I can feel it in here that no, it's not. It's not. Right? Queen of Diamonds. Yeah. You will meet this party lover woman. This is a very indifferent woman who is a materialistic woman. Okay? This is a woman with an earth sign energy. They are more into material wealth, not love. Okay? And then you, because you love partying, you love flirting, then you will deal with this woman. And I have said, but this one will just give you a headache. Okay. Yes, it's a new love interest. You will deal with this new love interest that will just give you a headache. Okay, I can feel it in here. Okay, let's go to the tarot cards and let's see what are more messages that has in store for you, my dear Leo friends, for the week, for the month of December. Right, spirit guides, what are your more messages for our dear Leo friends for the month of December? Okay, let's see what's Ace of Pentacles. As I've said, prosperity. This is a prosperity card, Ace of Pentacles. Um, it's a yes card associated with Virgo energy and Capricorn energy, and it's an earth sign energy and Taurus energy, and aligned to crown chakra. So it's here. There is a financial new beginning for those of you, new financial opportunities, new job, new business, money, investment, money is really in front of you, knocking on you. It's an expected windfall of money. Okay, there is this is a reverse Queen of Pentacles. Um, yes, despite of those financial wealth, financial freedom that you are receiving, you are still feeling insecure to those who are really happily happy to their life, even if they are just only living in a simple living situation, but they are happy with their family, for what they have. There is not a lot of chaos happening into their life. Yes, you are the boss, but you are still feeling insecure to those people. There is feeling that you have fear in here. Yeah. Um, yeah, insecurity is there. And there is a reverse hangman as well. This is a no card. Major arcana number 12. You feel like you are feeling trapped in here. Yes, you are receiving a lot of abundance and prosperity, but in I think it this is heart matters that really bombarding you of it's like that's why it make you feel insecure. Yes, for some of you, you have partners, you have husband or wife, you are married, but you're not happy in that relationship at all, because you can feel that this someone who you are with is just only after your fame and fortune. They don't love you genuinely. Yes, they are enjoying your material wealth, but there's no pure love, let's say. Yes, and um it's a lesson to be learned. So if you dealt with a third party relationship before and it hurt your dear one, and then had this dear one, there is a bitterness now in your relationship, it's a lesson to be learned. Okay, so my dear lay friends, please, just because for some of you, I think you are very adventurous in matters of the heart. You are dealing with a challenging love affair. I really don't know why. As I've said, your personality. So for some of you are just enjoying this moment. You don't care what will happen tomorrow. Yeah. So you don't care if you are enjoying with this some person who is committed, or I am. You are committed, and you don't care if the truth will be revealed as long as you are enjoying that time. Yeah, it's like self I don't know what do you call of that. Okay, let's see what is the angel message for you, my dearly friends, for the month of um, December. For those who are suffering from consistent, continuous chest pain and back pain, and it's what is this radiating to your neck, shoulder, especially the left one, you must seek a medical advice. Okay, for that. Okay. Um, okay. Do not neglect your health. Okay. King of Earth, the bottom of it. A successful time. Confidently accept opportunities you are offered. The Midas touch. As I've told you, you are great, destined for greatness. Financially, materially, yes. But I think it's the it's the heart matters that really make you feel lonely deep within you. Six of water. Memories from your history or childhood, issues regarding children, romanticizing the past. You are now reminiscing your childhood, your past memories. Yes. Let's see what is the animal spirit guides message for you, my dear Leo friends. So, if I were you, to avoid more disputes, fights, legal battle, then please be wise, be extra careful in dealing with an opposite sex. If you are happily married, then be happy and be contented with your um, behalf. Okay? The Emperor, the major arcana number 4, dear mouse. Structure and organization are important right now. Do not be afraid to take on a leadership role. Yes, you are a very good leader, as you have much wisdom to offer. That's why many attract you is attracted to you because you're a good leader. You are very charismatic, helpful. You have a generous, spirited energy. Oh, the hermit. Yes, this is a major arcana number 9, Firefly. Take time for contemplation. You really need that one, especially if you feel lonely inside. You really need to contemplate, my dear friends. To retreat and go within. Be a beacon for others on their path to spiritual enlightenment. Okay, for those who are seeking an advice or message from the spirits regarding their job, career, and business, let's see what are the messages that has in store for you. Bottom of the card is gestures. You may be asked to help someone out or you may need a hand. Give deserved praise to others and you will receive recognition too. It's like a give and take. Money matters. It's really money. Money matters a lot now. As I've told you, watch your expenses and save up for the future. You need to be prepared for the unexpected. Okay, for those who have one question in their mind and seeking for a yes or no answer, let's see. Think about it now, okay? So, if you're happy for this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's see. It's a yes card. Walk before you run. Fresh outlook, baby steps. That's what I've said to avoid further problems, scandal, troubles, legal issues, disputes. Yes, my dear. Oh, it's a no. So the answer to your question is maybe. Yes or no? Yes and no, it's maybe. It is just fork up. A real fine in the behind. Okay, so if you feel like it's positive for you, okay, to go ahead, then go ahead, do it. Okay. Thank you so much. Good luck in your journey. Thank you so much, my dear Leo friends. Love and light. Namaste.